Hi students, welcome. In today's class we are discussing about how to draw a rectangular hyperbola. In previous video we are completed asymptotes method of hyperbola. Similar procedure here, but only one difference in asymptotes method of hyperbola, the two asymptotes are it makes an angle, it's not right angle, that is one condition. Okay, but here it is rectangular hyperbola means the two asymptotes are right angles to each other, that is the difference. But remaining all the procedures are 100% same procedure. Okay, so let's go to how to draw a rectangular hyperbola. Clear, right? So let us assume draw a rectangular hyperbola of point P on 80, clear, 80 from OA asymptotes and 50 from OB asymptotes they given. Let us assume, just draw a rectangular hyperbola of size 80 mm from OA asymptotes and 50 mm from OB asymptotes. You draw the rectangular hyperbola on a given point P. Clear? That's the case. So how to draw means you know well. First, the name itself they mentioned it is a rectangular hyperbola. So it is 80, 60, 50, one rectangle. Clear? So here specifically they mention OA and OB. So let us consider this is OA and this is OB, or otherwise this is OA, this is OB. So this one is 50, this one is 80, or otherwise this is 80, this is 50. Either the rectangle is either it is horizontal or otherwise vertical. Okay, but simply they mention OA asymptotes, OB asymptotes. Specifically in this problem, the 80 from x coordinate and 50 from y coordinate, default x is horizontal, y is vertical. From school studies itself, x means horizontal. Therefore, from x 80 means from x 80. From y 50 means from OY 50. So this one. So you compulsory you get vertical rectangle like this. Clear? But here OA and OB means you either it is x consider as a OA, y consider as a OB. Choice is ours. Okay, right. So right, we go for to draw one line OA and it is rectangular hyperbola, therefore vertical 90 degree vertical line OB. After that from OA 80, from OA 80 distance, from OB 50 distance here. So from this point you draw line, from this point you draw line parallel to OA and OB respectively. So these two lines where it is intersecting, this is point P. So therefore your rectangular hyperbolic curve is passing through point P on it. Clear? Same procedure. So this distance is 50, this distance is 80. Okay, same procedure. So in this problem they not mention they all are equidistant or otherwise some 10 mm each, 8 mm each, they not nothing they mention. So therefore our choice anywhere we consider, for example from P some equidistance like this, n number of points on line parallel to OA. Similar case from here point. So you mention that numbers. So this distance they not mention the equidistance or something in problem. So we consider some randomly, we consider some distance. And next thing you assign the number from last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you want to mention differentiate between horizontal values and vertical number values. So therefore it is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash. So with the dash horizontal, without dash vertical. After that, a line joining O2, 4, O1, O2, O3, O4, 5 dash, 6 dash like that. So you join O4, O3, O2, O1. Similar case, O5 dash, O6 dash, O7 dash. Clear? Like this. After that, the O1, where it is intersecting on the line parallel to OB. Okay, let us consider this is 1. So it is vertical numbering, therefore with dash, 1 dash. Similar case, O2 intersection here, 2 dash, 3 intersection, 3 dash, number 4 intersection, 4 dash. Similar case, this one intersection, line parallel to OA asymptotes. It is the O5 dash intersection here, therefore 5, because the number, horizontal numbers are without dash. So I put 5. So this one is 6, this one is 7. Clear? So now we get 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash up to here 7 dash. Similar case here 1, 2, 3 up to 7. After that you draw a line from vertical numbering parallel to opposite asymptotes, that is called horizontal asymptotes. From here, okay, from vertical numbering you draw a OA parallel from 2, from 3, from 4, like that, that is with the dashes, from 5 dash, from 6 dash, from 7 dash. Similarly, from vertical lines want to draw from horizontal numbering, from 1, the 1, 2, 3, 4, that number lines is parallel to OA, therefore from that number you draw a line parallel to opposite asymptotes like OB. So OB is vertical, therefore from here vertical. So from 1 dash intersection points, from 2 dash, 3 and 3, 4 and 4 dash, from here 5 and 5, only vertical lines. Okay. So P1, P2, P3, P4, P, P5, P6, P7. Now all the points, all the locus points you join it, including curve point P. By freehand or otherwise by using French curve. Clear. So this one is rectangular hyperbola. Because the two asymptotes are made 90 degrees to each other, we get one rectangle. Therefore this hyperbolic curve name is called rectangular hyperbola. Clear? And in same problem, how to draw tangent and normal means very simple. You draw tangent and normal at anywhere on the curve. So therefore let us consider, for example, I am consider here. So in this point M we need tangent and normal means, so from point M you draw line parallel to OB. Clear? Next thing, let us consider this is, for example, S. So now O to S distance is equal to S to T distance. O to S distance is equal to S to T distance. So now line joining TM and it's extended, that is nothing but tangent. This is tangent T. Okay, definitely that line is intersecting OB asymptotes. So here from M you draw vertical line now. From, let us assume, just cross check. So from M you draw one horizontal line. Let us consider it is S1, it is S2. The O to S1, sorry, O to S2 is 100% equal to S2 to T dash. Clear? Clear? Either anywhere means either parallel to OB asymptotes line starting or otherwise OA asymptotes line starts, wherever. So after getting the T dash tangent, you know, okay, the line perpendicular to tangent is nothing but N dash, it's nothing but normal. Clear? That's all. Okay students, so this is the method how to construct a rectangular hyperbola Clear? So I hope all are understand. So in next video we go for in another curves. Thank you.